Hi, in this video we will show you how to install air conditioner. Firstly, let's install the table for air conditioner. Using the tool to tighten the screws. Then we tighten the screws of table legs. We adjusted the table height by the table legs. Now the table is ready. Put the table and internal unit inside the chamber. This is the cable that connects internal and external units. Put the cable by any hole you want. Then we screw the connector tightly. Plug in the cable, then clip it. It is ready like this. Now let's install the water pipes. Install water pipe connectors both inside and outside. Air conditioner needs to water pipes. Plug in the water pipes with internal units. No need to judge which one is watering in or watering out. Just plug in the water pipes, then it is okay. This one is for draining water. We will prepare drain water bottles for every order. Now let's do the water injection. The two connectors are for water pipes. Now air conditioners have English notice, no worries. We just need to plug in the water pipes between external units and chamber bodies. Make sure you remember the water pipe connectors. Let's plug in the power cord. The air conditioner uses 220 volts voltage. If your country uses 110 volts voltage, you will receive one more voltage transformer. Press the first and last one buttons at the same time for several seconds. See this icon? It means that we enter water injection mode. Take off the exhaust port plug. Take off the water inlet plug. Press the neck place, then take the plug out. Then we can start pouring water into the inlet. The amount of water affects the cooling effect. So please make sure that the water is full. Now it seems that the water is full, but actually not. You need to check the water pipes have no bubbles. Let's continue to pour water. Now we can see the water is full. Plug in the water inlet plug first. Then we plug in the exhaust port plug. Press the first and last buttons at the same time to exit the injection mode. See this snow icon? It means that the air conditioner starts to deliver cooling air into the chamber. The external unit is working now. Feeling the strong cooling air,